Alright, good morning. This is June 18th, 2024 live stream. After, yesterday we had a pretty expensive day, so today I'm not expecting too much. Not expecting too much besides, consolidation or maybe some sort of retracement. But I do believe that we are going to create a daily FEG here from Monday's expansion. So yeah, I am expecting that.
Come back.
That daily FEG to be formed. On the dollar, looks like we are selling off again, reaching towards the daily FEG, power day low, previous day low here. So you can see here there's SMT with ES is now trading back inside this 4-hour fair value gap. It didn't take out previous day high, however, YM did. So we do have some sort of SMT at the highs. So NQ, all I'm expecting is for us to retrace back, or anticipating is for us to retrace back into this low here and or Asian lows. Not anticipating much for today. After such a large expansion day yesterday, we can expect today to be, consolidative. And consolidation. I would like to wait till the 10 a.m. open and just let prices do its thing during the first 30 minutes. So we did have news, core retail sales and retail sales at 8:30 EST. Just why we probably got this big wick here. But yeah, that is all I have for right now. We have about 2 minutes left to the open here. And I'm not calculating Asian lows. Play some music. Focus up. Here's 40 seconds left to the open. Here's the open. So once prices takes out Asian layers, we'll see how we react from there. But as of right now, that is my overall objective for today. We're in consolidated markets, so you want to just be in and out. You don't want to be holding a trade for too long. Yeah. Yes. YM are both going higher. This is usually the case when it is the first, for the first 30 minutes of the day. All three markets will be kind of, highly, manipulative. It's just they're trading inversely, which is not the ideal situation here. But yeah, first 30 minutes, just let prices do its thing. You want to be patient. I believe this is when I see the states that trading, the silver bullet. That's what I'm trading. Necessarily, I'm trading the silver bullet, but I'm allowed to trade throughout the New York AM and PM session. It's just not the last 30 minutes of each 4-hour candle. Those are my rules. So yes, it's going high. And yesterday I wasn't able to catch any of this big move. The one move I was looking at was this one right here. But prices just simply didn't allow me to take it in the lower time frames. We dipped into it here at below the 11:30, 11:30. But you know, we didn't have any reaction. We just kind of chopped around and just expanded up. If I were able to take the trade for like blindly here, stop losses would have been. Would have had to be like this. And then targets well, London highs, I believe, versus high day and all-time high. So, I mean, I wouldn't have known that we were going to go that high, you know. Yeah, that was. So ES is expanded with the YM. Let's see if we take our previous day high here. Oh yes. Yeah, look, both ES is going higher, and Q is very hesitant to go higher. This isn't strength. This is not very ideal. The C is going lower. Towards previous day low, and probably gonna rebalance that daily FMG again. So we'll see from here what we do on the indices, but as of right now, I'm not touching it at all. And Q is still looking quite bearish, or not bearish, but just consolidative. We don't have displacement though for either side. Previous week's high here. Previous day high. So why are we going for it? Still just sitting on the sidelines. No displacement, no trade. I do have an objective once this 4 hour closes though. So just looking at how this 1 minute here closed or 15-minute here closed, we can target the lows. These lows right here. So you would go on to the lower time frames to find any entry, and not much of an entry, no entries here, but you would want to buy above 9:30 or sub above 9:30 open. So something, maybe if there was an FEG like right here, let's target those. So 101 right there, and bam. But this not too much. look like we tapped back into a 30-minute FEG here. Um, 9 minutes left to the open at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. open. So Dixie just took up previous day low, and it's probably looking like it's gonna retrace back into it. It's a daily FEG. Try Asia lowest here. Mirror displacement actually. minutes left till the 10 a.m. candle. You see, I still have no displacement towards either side, so. Two minutes left. We don't have any red photo news at 10, so we can. Maybe that's where you and I begin. No, I don't need a heavenly home. A place beyond the clouds with everyone we've ever known. It don't matter where we go. If you were born to run, I was made to run with you. I was made for you. I need some church, darling. I need some church, darling. I am a false prophet. I must confess, darling. Maybe that's where you come in. So just looking at how this 15-minute candle is closing, we can anticipate for this candle's high to be ran. So that could be an objective here. How this candle closes, but we want to try. Maybe God thinks you that I'm alive. No, I don't need a heavenly home. Place beyond the clouds of everyone we've ever known. Just depends on how this 15-minute candle closes. But we don't have much displacement. I was made to run with you. I was made for you. I was made for you. 9 minutes left. Or seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's a 10 o'clock open here. There's the open. Let's see what we do from here. About it. Yes, it's still inside of fair 5-minute fair value gap. And Q is nowhere near that. And YM kind of below 5-minute fair value gap. is quite peculiar. Let me. Still don't have clear displacement, but the draw as of right now seems to be Asia lows. On NQ at least, ES is going somewhere else. These markets right now are today just not a favorable day. Keep that in mind. Today is not a favorable day after the expansive day yesterday. trade. YM is going lower. And Q is finally going higher. YM is going lower. Well, let's see if we are actually confirmed to go higher. If we can create displacement candles, FVG candles, then I'll consider taking a trade. But as of right now, no trade. This green looks like it could be an overflow. We took out the high and low, close below the low. This looks like just an overflow. We have a 5-minute FVG here. We have a 5, or it looks like we might create a 5-minute FVG. We can target the 50-minute highs here and 1-hour highs. If we get a retracement, if we don't get a retracement, then no trade. 2 minutes left. One minute left. So we take out, so this is a trade I would consider taking. If we take out previous 15-minute high, then I would not take this trade. But so we take out previous 15-minute high here. Not take the trade.
If it's Friday, you know I'll be kicking back with the boys down to Santa's pub. Don't hesitate, don't even think about waiting, I'll just type it up. Yeah, I'm ready if you're ready or wondering. Stop thinking, hit send. Doesn't matter if it's last call from the late night sidewalk. Little too buzz, a little too drunk. You can have your hair down, all curled up on the couch, and the quiet ain't loud enough. No, it could be AM or PM. It could be middle of the week or the weekend, baby. It ain't too late or too far. Just call me, 'cause I'm lonely. If you are, yeah, I'm lonely if you are, if you are. Yeah, I'm lonely.
If we respect this 5-minute FAJ, then we respect it, but I'm not gonna take the trade.
You know the show you girls all come over for, and the red wine's getting lower, and your last friend's out the door. When there's no more roses to go around, hit me up, girl, you know I'm down. Doesn't matter if it's last call from a late night sidewalk. Little too buzz, a little too drunk. You can have your hair down, all curled up on the couch, and the quiet ain't loud enough. No, it could be AM or PM. It could be middle of the week or the weekend, baby. It ain't too late or too far. Just call me, 'cause I'm lonely. If you are,
Will we get a retracement back into the 5-minute? If we do,
I'm lonely if you are.
like I said, we already took out 15-minute high, so there's really nothing for me to take that trade off of. But let's see.
Oh, let me love the lonely right out of you. Oh yeah, if you're out there and lonely, girl, I'm lonely too. So let me love the this last call from a late night sidewalk. Little too buzzed, a little too drunk. You could have your hair down, all curled up on the couch, and the quiet ain't loud enough. No, it could be AM or PM. It could be middle of the week or the weekend, baby. It ain't too late or too far. Just call me 'cause I'm lonely. If you are, yeah.
We've yet to take out previous hourly high or low, so just keep that in mind.
Yeah, I'm always down for 2 beers. That ain't nothing new. It's usually what I do here, but not tonight. Yeah, we had a bad one, way worse than the last one. Ain't no coming back from this goodbye. Looks like I did it again. Me and my stupid mouth. I dug myself into a hole in a wall, and I gotta drink my way out. Bartender, pour me up again. I just took a hook on my heart breaking. We gon' be in here all night. She ain't the only thing I'm putting on right. Yeah, I need a corner where the lights turn down. I can take a good time, cold beer crown. It's just me, Jack and Jim. Won't you play a little weirdly for me and my whiskey friends? Me and my whiskey friends. We just need a slow song, trying to let her go song. Throw a little Jones on, leave us alone till she's long gone. Got a lot over her work left to do that we need to get into. So bartender, pour me up again. I just took a hook on my heart breaking. We gon' be in here all night. She ain't the only thing I'm putting on right. Yeah, I need a corner where the lights turn down. I can take a good time, cold beer crown. It's just me, Jack and Jim. Won't you play a little weirdly for me and my whiskey friends?
Closure below a 5-minute sipping on the 5-minute time frame. Okay.
Me and my whiskey friends. Looks like I did it again. Me and my stupid mouth. Dug myself into a hole in a wall. Now I gotta drink my way out. Bartender, pour me up again. I just took a hook on my heart breaking. We gon' be in
It's aligning. I would try this out here, like this short.
Still got your number in my phone. Even though you don't know, listen, I still call.
This is the short I would attempt to take. So
Just to hear you say
we're buying above midnight open, 4-hour open,
different ways to grieve. There's days that I don't even want it all.
and we have confluences as this new day opening gap. We're buying inside of 5 minutes of value gap. They're disrespecting us. A busy. All my confluences, and then my target, my overall target is Asian mode. So
face to face. I miss my best friend, so now I'm gonna pull out pictures, ones with you.
usually I would like to wait for the 15-minute closures here and enter at 10:30, which I'm actually gonna do. Actually, I'll wait till the 9:30 closure. Let's see what happens.
So tonight I'm gonna pull out pictures, ones with you in 'em. Laugh and cry a little while reminiscing by myself. I can't help it, all I think about is how you were taking.
Here we're retracing back into it. I'm not gonna enter this first retracement because it's not at 9:30. I want to see what the 9:30 open is like, but usually I would have taken this here. But I'm gonna see what we look like at 9:30. We still have 2 minutes, and if we do take the low, then we take the low, you know. But my plan says that I must execute on 1 candle closures, and 9:30 hasn't closed yet, so. Left.
Red leaves on the river, footprints in the sand.
The trade idea right now is just for right now is just to take out Asia lows in 15. Once we take out the 15-minute low, that's when I move my stops to break even. But for as of right now, I would just consider waiting for the 9:30 open.
Springs
30 seconds left till the closure. So we'll see what happens from here. 20 seconds left. We don't have any news at 10:30, so there's the closure. There's the open. So let's see if we can get retracement back into here. So there's that 30-minute closure here. So just looking based on this, this 30-minute closure, we can anticipate this load to be ran. So I'll mark this as partial.
Footprints in the sand, cold walk in December, warming up your name.
If we can tap the 5-minute, if we don't take this load, then you know. If we don't get a retracement back inside the 5-minute FEG, then it's cool. Basically, 10:30 is at 10 o'clock open, so let's see from there. I'm gonna throw away some stuff in my room, and I'll be right back. So we got an entry inside the ticket entry. So like I said, we are looking at the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute PO3 here. We're looking at the 30-minute PO3. I'm targeting this low. We go on to the lower time frames 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to see some sort of displacement, some straight structure that supports the idea. And we had displacement on the 5-minute time frame. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're also buying, or we're selling above the New York open, 10:30 open and 10 o'clock open. So all in sight with the power of 3. The only thing that I'm wary of is that Dixie is going lower, which is, you know, is skeptical to me. ES is now shooting higher now. Yeah, we could get stopped out here actually. If we get stopped out, we take stopped out. That was my trade idea, you know. Lee stops to where it's at. I'll have it at the body of the candle, at the 5-minute body. So currently in drawdown, and let's see how we handle. So I would like to prefer to see a you know, displacement back lower, but we'll see what we do from here. G.I. Joe. Alright. Once we take this 5-minute low here, I'll just leave the trade as is, but like I said, once we take this partial, I'll move stops to break even, but trade is basically back at break even. Just not really see what we do from here, but so we just came back into 1-minute FEG, and now we have displacement away from it, or we're trading away from it. Good job. The idea is to stay composed. Whether we take a win or loss, I was willing to take it. Well, like I said, today is a very consolidated day, so it's going to be a little bit harder to trade than usual. Just look at this 4-hour candle. I do want to see the 4-hour candle take the low, but it's consolidation. Anything can happen. We just had such a big expansion move yesterday, so you know, I would risk lower size, but it's not much. This trade isn't much of a 190. I'm only risking basically 193 to make 273. You know, 193 is not that bad. So here I just let prices ran it. I just do a thing where I already entered. You gotta stay composed. Take deep breaths if you need to. But yeah. so my body is quite. So here looks like we're expanding lower now. I'm gonna take off 3 at the partial, and looks like we're expanding lower now, which is good. And then 2 at Asia's lows, and now we moved our stops to break even here. So yeah, that's right there. That's just patience. We waited for prices, let our trade do its thing. So now that we got, you know, the move lower, we took partials at the 30-minute low, and then now we're still targeting Asia's lows as our you know, PT. And with that, that's our trade right there. See, so we should start seeing expansion towards the downside. I expect the next 15-minute candle to continue lower. But yeah. There we go. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let this trade do its thing. Next 15-minute candle. So I take my last partial at this -2 standard deviation right here. My last at the -2 standard deviation. Dixie was thinking to start continuing to go back higher. Notice how I set the standard deviation. I like the standard deviations when they start aligning with sell side liquidity already. So this -1 standard deviation right here aligned with this Asia lows. Yeah, bye ma. So it'll align with the 1 minute. I'm sorry, I said 1 minute. The Asia lows, and that's at the -1 standard deviation. So if we retrace back all the way up to break even, then that's just my break even stop. Right, but yeah. There's 201, they're back. If we could continue lower, it would be from this 1 minute FEG, but if we don't, then yeah. There's my first trade of the day there, for sure for the week. And notice how, you have to maintain calmness. You have to have clarity. You can't let your emotions, take control of you during the trade. Right there, I watched the whole trade pan out by just watching it. that allows you to be very nimble. It practices self-discipline, patience, bye Matt, confidence in your setup that you have. And like I said, you can do, you know, mental repetitions of like breathing techniques, you know, anything that can help you stay calm. But there's that. There's the winner. I am holding this because I'm anticipating, if this hourly closes is here, I am anticipating for us to take out this hourly low. So we know we could see lower prices, but we might not. It's just I'm deciding to hold it. Have my stop loss at this 1 minute FEG high. But yeah, if we do take back the high, then hey, I already bagged my partials. I already did what I did, what I had to do. But yeah. Like I said, will we get displacement back lower? So once we get, you know, closure below this low, or once we break back this low, once we break past this low, I will consider taking moving my stop losses once again. And there should be a breakaway gap now. It's been a hell of a year. Dixie is continuing to go lower or higher here. Yeah. come down.
Hey, Natalie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The trend idea right now is just right now. It's just to take out Asian lows in 15. Once we take out the 15-minute low, that's when I move my stops to break even. But for as of right now, I would just consider waiting for the 9:30. Then 30 open. If we don't get a retracement back inside the 5-minute FEG, then it's cool. Basically, 10:30 is at 10 o'clock open, so let's see. Just throw some stuff in my room, and I'll be right back. Took an entry. So like I said, we are looking at the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute PO3 here. We're looking at the 30-minute PO3. I'm targeting this low. We go on to the lower time frames 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to see some sort of displacement, some straight structure that supports the idea. And we had displacement on the 5-minute time frame. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're also buying, or we're selling above the New York open, 10:30 open, and 10 o'clock open. So balance set with the power of 3. The only thing that is I'm wary of is that Dixie is going lower, which is, you know, skeptical to me. ES is now shooting higher now. We could get stopped out here actually. If we get stopped out, we take stopped out. That was my trade idea, you know. Least stops towards. I'll have it at the body of the candle, at the 5-minute body. So. Currently in drawdown, and let's see how we handle. So here's the 11 o'clock open here, coming up soon. I do want to see the next hourly candle take out this hourly low here, and my targets from there on, it's not quite clear, but I am targeting this the standard deviation, the -2 standard deviation. Yeah, -2 standard deviation of this trading range here. So we close in about 3 minutes. Let's see what we do from there. It looks like we might close below this low here. We'll see. Only time will tell. 2 minutes, about 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on that. And I will, like I said, I will move my stop loss actually. to this recent swing high. Once we trade below this low, I'm really tempted to just take you know, an exit at here, because but I don't want to squeeze too much out of the lemon and have it dry, but this is probably one of my things that I need to work on, to be honest, is probably my targets and having conviction to hold it. But as of right now, I am going to continue to hold and wait for the power of 3 this next hourly candle. So we'll see if -2 standard deviation is able to be met, but I should remind myself that we are in consolidation, very retractive consolidative market, so I shouldn't expect too much. Yeah, let's move this down to 1 minute time frame. Like I said right here, will we close below this low? If we can close below this low on no hourly time frame, then that will mean a lot. That will tell me that we are wanting to go, that we will want to go lower, and yeah. Probably take exits at the midpoint. $15 seconds left here on the hourly closure. Here it is, 10 o'clock, or 11 o'clock, sorry. 11. Here. Any FAGs that can help us go lower? 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Probably only, we'll probably take an entry here. Have this set here. I probably won't take this trade here, but I just want to see how this would play out. Three, 4. So this is based off of 2 minute. This setup is based off of the 2 minute. To refine it a little bit more, I should probably move it up here. Like I said, we do have to keep in mind that we are in consolidated markets. ES and YM, we're both trading in awkward, movement. So see sign up front. This one. Like I said, this trade would have probably been only to take out previous hourly high, or sorry, previous hourly low. But I've entered a little while back at 10:30, so, or 9:30. At 10:30 now, it's 11. But yeah, just looking based off of how this 5 minutes closing here, it looks like we could probably take out. So stop loss will be moved down to here. Move to this high once we take out this swing low. So there you go. We continue to go lower here. $1.5 net and 1.5 net, and hourly low gets taken, and so there we go. There is the end of the trade there. That was the that's about it for me. Second trade, if I had taken that, it's just there. We retrace back into the 4, 3, 2, 1, and I know that we weren't probably going to take out. Just looking at the 30-minute, pretty bearish closure. Stop losses. We had that displacement candle high. Yeah. I don't want to touch it anymore here on out until we see like clear direction. But that was probably gonna be all for me today. Yeah, that's probably gonna be all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. I hope that provided, information, clarity on how prices would move. I am still, anticipating for us to just chop around, kind of very, not fast and moving towards the DLL, but kind of, very, very choppy. But yeah, that is my one trade today. And I'll see you guys later.